Hey folks, this is Mark with OrientWatchUSA.com with the Orient Esteem in black and with an IP black finish. The SKU for this watch is FDB08-002BO and is part of Orient's mechanical collection. This Esteem is a personal favorite of many Orient watch fans. Now this semi-skeleton uses a beautiful case and an elegant leather band. The large dial adds to the overall look and makes the watch feel slim on the wrist. Orient's hallmark throughout 60 years of continuous watchmaking has been mechanical watchmaking and classic traditional styling. The Esteem embodies those traditions in every detail. Let's look at each part individually, starting with the movement or the timing device of the watch. The Esteem uses Orient's in-house caliber 46A40, which is an automatic movement with 21 jewels and 3 hands for time. Now all movements are made in Orient's facility in northern Japan, so you can absolutely expect Japanese quality and craftsmanship behind each model. Let's now take a look at this dial or the face of the watch.